what did Daddy make for you? Did he get you a swing? Oh. So exciting. What do you think? What do you think, little girl? Swing! Swing! Swing, Mia, swing! Swing! What do you think? You like your new swing? Say thank you, Dad. I love my swing. Yeah. All right, the second she isn't, but she was.
It was kind of crooked because it's not set up.
Oh, swing.